Hi guys, my name's Harriet and I'm going to show you today how to change the panel on your Architect toaster. And then once you're done, you can just simply lift up the panel. Goodbye black and white. I can't believe how easy this is. Just a simple screwdriver and a screw is easy to do. So that's it, the panel is changed. I will show you how it looks. So this is the toaster that we saw and loved at the start. And here is the new design today. So this is the beautiful copper panel. Notice the ribs that are running along there. I absolutely love it and I can't wait to put it in my kitchen. It looks amazing. Remember, however good it looks, this is an attended appliance and you do need to look after it carefully. Safety comes first, so make sure that you push the toaster away from underneath your kitchen cupboards so that the heat doesn't rise under the cupboard. If you'd like to see more of our colours, head to www.dualit.com. And that's all from me. Thank you very much. I've been Harriet at Dualit and I'm happy to help.